Let's look at a few text functions in Excel for manipulating text. This video focuses on the lower function, the proper function, and the upper function. The lower function changes all text to small characters. The proper function changes text so that the first letter is a capital, and the upper function changes all text to uppercase or capital letters. So to change it to lowercase, we use the lower function is equals to lower, type the lower function, and select the text that you want to change. Enter, then you can copy this downwards. The proper function changes all text so that the first letter is a capital letter. Change that, then press enter and copy that downwards. While the upper function changes all text to uppercase, then enter and copy this downwards.